Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find more security settings, and here let's go to install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find specific app and tap on the switcher next to it. So from now on, the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions. You can do it manually just by tapping on the switcher or simply tapping on Deny All. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.